Whenever there's food in here, if you riding by, you hungry, you take what you need.
Along the historic Pennsylvania Avenue in West Baltimore.
This community holds something, personal for me.
Outside the Journey Mental Health and Wellness Clinic,
If one meal could help someone,
owner Nikki Smith is showing off her new fridge and pantry.
we'll be able to stock stuff for kids that walk by, any adult, anyone. You take whatever you need and you can leave whatever you can.
It's the latest community fridge in a growing network around the city.
As an educator, I would say we're trying to set up an ecosystem.
Elizabeth Miller is a teacher and also part of the newly formed Be More Community Fridge Network.
I would say the fridges are helping to fill the gaps.
The concept is simple. Leave food, take food. Donors are asked to label and date meals they make. There are 6 fridges and 4 pantries up and running, with several pending. Some are monitored by private residents or businesses like The Journey. This one on the campus of Loyola University was set up through the Calming Leaf Foundation.
The reduction in the actual food waste, and then we also get the sort of instant repurpose, if you will, into a mutual aid distribution system that's 24/7.
Calming Leaf did a study about the impact of community fridges in Baltimore, and one of the main takeaways was the public misperception about who is using fridges like this one here at Red Emma's. Gerard Ridgway says that's due in part to a lack of knowledge and awareness.
I think there is a potential stigma around it where it's not related to just, charity, or maybe people may not know how it works, so they don't really have a buy-in into the system.
Elizabeth says they want to change that perception to neighbors helping neighbors.
But in general, it's just people coming by, dropping things off, a quick conversation. It looks like a neighborhood. It looks like a community having conversations. It looks like new people forging relationships and bonds and building a network.
And perhaps eventually creating jobs.
We believe that with a full expanded network, you can pay people to take care of it, you can pay people to manage the logistics, you can pay people to manage the marketing and promotion, just like any other food distribution, pantry, or kitchen.
For now, these community fridges are run off pure heart and generosity.
Hopefully the other businesses here will follow lead and start giving back to the community, because the community is only as strong as we are.